Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imamat, Vicergerents of the Prophet. During his lifetime, Prophet Muhammad had announced on several occasions that the responsibility of the guidance of the Muslim community would devolve after him on certain named persons as ordained by Allah. These persons are known as Imams, Vicergerents of the Prophet. The Imam deputizes the Prophet in every respect. Like the Prophets, therefore, the Imam should also be infallible in his thoughts, words, and deeds. You have already been taught the names of those Imams in Lesson 3. There are clear references in the Holy Quran about belief in the Imams, as for example, O ye who believe, obey Allah and obey the Messenger and those amongst you invested with divine authority. And if in aught ye differ, bring it before Allah and the Messenger, if ye believe in Allah and a latter day. This is the best and the fairest way of settlement. Verily, it is we who bring the dead to life and keep record of what they have sent forward and left behind. Everything, all authority, have we vested in the clarifying Imam. And remember, the day of judgment, we shall call together all human beings with their respective Imams. Referring to Imams, the Prophet has further emphasized, one who dies but does not recognize the Imam of his time dies the death of a pagan. On the day of resurrection, every nation will be called along with the Imam of his time, the Book of Allah and Sunnah, tradition of his Prophet.